I was mid-lather when someone flushed the toilet, hitting me with a scalding blast of water. Ripping open my tiled wall to fix the outdated plumbing was a nightmare, made worse by how confusing buying a replacement valve can be. Navigating the jargon of rough-ins and trim compatibility is exhausting. That is why I tested the top contenders on the market. Today, I am ranking the 5 best shower valves to save your walls and wallet, counting down to the absolute best system available. Let's get into it. 5. Grow 3560-1000. When I first got my hands on this universal rough-in, I was genuinely intrigued by its highly ambitious design. It promises to be the central nervous system for your modern custom shower, supporting up to 3 shower functions and 2 inlets right out of the box. The concept of having a single concealed unit that can effortlessly handle a primary shower head, a handheld wand, and body sprays is incredibly appealing on paper. During my testing, the performance of the water delivery was admittedly very smooth. Once everything is finally hooked up, the water flow rate is excellent, and the brass connections feel sturdy enough to last a lifetime behind your drywall. It also features bottom inlets, which is a rather neat design choice that can significantly simplify your pipe routing depending on exactly how your bathroom framing is laid out. However, my initial enthusiasm quickly dampened once the actual installation process began. If you are a DIYer or even a seasoned plumber who isn't strictly familiar with Growa's European-style engineering, you are going to find the instruction manual incredibly cryptic. I found myself battling with the physical alignment as the box requires meticulous depth precision within the wall. If you miss the mark by even a fraction of an inch, your expensive trim simply will not sit flush against your final tile layer. Furthermore, by installing this, you are absolutely locked into the Growa ecosystem, and their proprietary decorative trims are quite pricey. While the Rapido Smart Box ultimately works well once the drywall dust settles, the steep learning curve, the highly stressful margin for error during the rough-in stage, and the hefty overall investment keep it firmly at the bottom of my top 5 list. 4. Hansgrohe 1850181. Much like our number 5 pick, this valve is engineered to be a comprehensive one-size-fits-all rough-in solution for a wide variety of different shower configurations. When unboxing it, I immediately noticed the unique symmetrical design and the heavy-duty plastic housing, which Hansgrohe clearly engineered specifically to prevent any internal leaks from damaging the wood framing of your home. Testing this unit revealed some brilliant European engineering choices that I really came to appreciate. It incorporates specialized sound decoupling technology, which essentially means the rushing water is significantly muffled behind the wall, making for a much quieter and more luxurious shower experience. I also thoroughly loved the included waterproof collar, which gave me immense peace of mind when sealing up the cement backer board around the valve. But my hands-on experience wasn't entirely without friction. The primary drawback I encountered during my tests is the sheer, undeniable bulk of the iBox itself. It is a massive piece of hardware, and trying to wrestle it into a standard shallow stud bay was incredibly frustrating. I had to do a lot of creative carpentry and framing just to accommodate its impressive depth, which adds unnecessary time, headache, and labor to what should be a straightforward plumbing job. Additionally, the process of flushing the plumbing lines before installing the final cartridge felt overly complicated compared to standard domestic valves. While the Hansgrohe iBox offers premium engineering and fantastic noise reduction for luxury builds, its bulky footprint and slightly tedious preparation work make it a tough sell for a quick weekend bathroom renovation, landing it at the number 4 spot. 3. Kohler 8304KNA. Moving away from the highly complex European systems, getting my hands on this Kohler valve felt like an absolute breath of fresh air. It is a masterclass in straightforward, highly effective plumbing design, built specifically to tackle the exact scalding issue I experienced in my own bathroom before I started this project. During my rigorous testing, the right temp technology performed flawlessly under pressure. I intentionally ran the dishwasher and flushed multiple toilets simultaneously while the shower was running. and the water temperature barely fluctuated. The internal pressure balancing cartridge is incredibly responsive, ensuring that your shower remains perfectly comfortable and, more importantly, completely safe from sudden temperature spikes, regardless of what else is happening in your house. From an installation perspective, this was an absolute joy to work with on the test bench. The machined brass body feels incredibly heavy, premium, and durable, and the universal connections made soldering the copper pipes an absolute breeze. I particularly liked how well the included test cap worked, allowing me to fully pressurize and test my plumbing lines for hidden leaks long before I ever had to install the sensitive temperature cartridge itself. The Kohler Right Temp is a trusted workhorse that does exactly what it promises without any unnecessary complications or bloated features. It is fully compatible with a massive library of beautifully designed Kohler shower trims, giving you endless aesthetic flexibility. It earns its solid middle-of-the-pack placement by being an incredibly dependable, fairly priced, and easy-to-install option for any standard residential shower setup. 2. Delta Faucet R10000-UNBX. If you were to ask almost any professional plumber what they have installed in their own personal home, there is a very high probability it is this exact valve. When I brought this into my testing lab, I immediately understood exactly why it has remained an absolute industry standard for so many years. The true genius of this product, and what completely blew me away during my hands-on testing, is the multi-choice cartridge system. Once you install this brass rough-in valve securely into your wall, you can upgrade or change your shower's entire functionality at any time without ever touching the plumbing again. I was able to swap out a basic single-function cartridge for a high-end, dual-function thermostatic cartridge in less than 5 minutes using just a standard screwdriver. Installing the UNBX model was exceptionally smooth from start to finish. The square plastic plaster guard acts as a perfect physical guide for your final tile cuts, and the heat-resistant pressure test cap meant I could comfortably sweat my copper pipe connections with a blowtorch without the fear of melting any internal components. Its perfectly compact footprint also meant it slid right into a standard 2x4 wall without a single modification to the wood framing. This Delta valve offers an unbeatable combination of immediate reliability and brilliant future-proofing for your bathroom. It allows you to confidently start with a budget-friendly shower trim today and effortlessly upgrade to a luxury spa experience years down the line. It is incredibly user-friendly, fiercely dependable, and an absolute must-consider for anyone tackling a bathroom remodel. 1. Moen M-Core. After extensively testing all the major players in the plumbing world, Moen's relatively new M-Core system stands head and shoulders above the rest of the competition. It takes all the best features of universal shower valves and meticulously refines them into a completely seamless, masterfully engineered package. What truly set this valve apart during my hands-on testing was the sheer, undeniable precision of the water control. The integrated cartridge system provides a buttery smooth physical operation when dialing in your perfect shower temperature. And the integrated water stops right on the valve body are an absolute lifesaver. Being able to shut off the water supply directly at the shower to clean or replace a cartridge without having to run down to the basement to turn off the whole house water main is a brilliant feature I simply cannot live without anymore. The installation process of the M-Core model is where Moen really shows off its thoughtful design team. It features a wonderfully versatile mounting bracket that makes securing it to your wall studs incredibly rigid and perfectly plumb every single time you install it. Whether you are working with copper, PEX, or CPVC piping, the connection points are spaced generously apart, giving you plenty of room to comfortably work your plumbing tools without cramping your hands or burning adjacent pipes. The M-Core system represents the absolute pinnacle of modern shower plumbing technology. Much like the Delta system, it allows for incredible design flexibility with Moen's massive, beautiful range of trim kits. But it executes the internal engineering with just a slightly higher tier of overall craftsmanship. Outro. That's all for today.